Ooh, I'll tell you. How are you doing, all you keeping it reelers in Thailand out there? Whew. It is hot. And the sand is hot. I mean, it's hot. Really hot. I'm down here to a section of beach that not really a lot of people come to. The ones that do come here, oh, little respite for my feet. Ooh, this is hot. But the ones that do come here, I bet you are tourists that return here every year. They come to this idyllic spot just on the other side of Lamai. That would be the far end of Lamai, of course, as you're heading towards Chawang that way. Over there. This would be the furthest end, and that road I took up to get down here is the access to get to this particular area. And there's bungalows and really rustic bungalows. I mean, I think a lot of those bungalows go back to the 80s. So if you're into that, that's what you do. Okay, oh man, this sand is hot. Yeah. God, I haven't been down here 12 years, maybe longer. Oh, I can smell the tiger bomb. Sabaiอย่าร้อนมากๆนะโอ้กินข้าวแล้ววะอะไรกินขนมค่ะโอ้ขนมเหรอสวิตลอยเหรอหยิบเลยโอ้ยสวิตโอ้ยสวิตโดนัทกูดโอ้ยเอาไหนคะโคคานัทโคคานัทฮะกระเป๋าเอาครีมด้วยครีมนะโอ้ยอร่อยโดนัทเอารวมกันเลยรวมHe likes the donuts แล้วก็นี่เหรอโอ้ปั๊มสวยCome over here. See these little rustic bungalows? Something like that. It's nice. Even if I had something like that in my area, yeah, you know, that's all you need. You'd spend more time on the porch than you would inside. Seriously. Have your plants all around out there. Yeah, you know, for a single person. So this is Paradise Restaurant. Yeah, I used to come down here a long time ago, man. We'd party, play blues guitar and stuff like that. So. Oh, look, they got the band here and everything. Do da dum Tonight we have live music. Reggae, huh? Reggae, yeah. Do da dum. Start about 6:30. Okay, come. Good little rocky area. Yeah, you know, you can come out and chill. Well, I don't think I'm going to go all the way down there. But look at all the bars you got here. You got quite a selection all the way down. Yeah, nice. I'd like to get on that. Go for a ride. Ah, damn, the sand is hot. Oh, I'm gonna bury my feet. Woo. Tootsies are cooking. Yeah, so you got your little cove over there right before grandmother and grandfather rock. Way down there, so you can imagine what it's like. There you go. And more bungalows, this nature. I'll leave a link down below. Tracy's gotta get off this freaking sand. There you go. So I'll leave a link down below how to get down to this area. Yeah. And you too can come and experience a little laid back Lamai. Yeah. Oh man, my feet are just roasting. Big sweat just from that. Ooh,ร้อนมาก
เย็นไม่ร้อน
ไม่เย็น ทะเลไม่เย็น Even the ocean's not hot, cold. She's testing my Thai. The black pearl. Jack Sparrow, huh? There you go. Some of the rustic looking bungalows. But you know, you get something like this right up on the beach. And you're right there. There you go. Bada bada boom. Yeah. The black pearl. Oh, we already went that way, so let's go through this way. Oh yeah. Letting up. There's the real Jack Sparrow. The real Jack Sparrow. Oh yeah. Getting out out. All right, so that's a quick little tour. Sweet. Ooh, man, I tell you that sand was hot, blistering hot. And now, keeping things real here in Thailand. I'm going to Macro, do some grocery shopping. Steaks. Gotta load up. It is really hot these last few days. I mean, last night when I was playing at Secret Garden, it was right through the roof. Like, wow. Whew. It was hot. So it's just boiling today. Whew. Very hot. So I want to thank all you Keepin' It Reelers for tuning in once again. I like to try and mix things up a little bit here in the next couple of months. A little of this and a little of that. So hopefully a lot of you subscribers will leave some comments down below and let me know what you think. Some of you like it, some of you don't. Obviously, I mean, not everyone's gonna like it. I do like tinkering. I do like experimenting with things, fixing things. I'll be repairing one of my pedals very soon. As soon as I get the part. I went to Naton today and they didn't get the right pins. They had a 1 pin instead of 3. It's an electrical thing, but so I got to get another wait for that to come, and then I can repair it, and I'll show you that. I'll be taking care of a friend's bike, Johnny, out there. Hey, Johnny, big shout out to you, bro. Be taking on his bike and storing it for him. Moving it and that, so maybe do a little video of the process of doing that. Okay, and hey, if you have any suggestions out there, please leave them down below. Leave some comments, and if you're so inclined, buy me a coffee or coffees, up to you, as they say. All right, keeping it real in Thailand. See you later. Keep it